Hello guys, welcome from sunny Southern California. We're in Disneyland, or specifically Disney California Adventure. Behind me is one of my favorite rides. It's called Radiator Spring Races, and it's in Cars Land in Disney California Adventure. So I get asked quite often, electric cars don't have sounds, and won't you miss that sound? Well, as you can see in this ride, it's clearly an electric car, but from that clip that I showed you, there was a sound of a motor or an engine going in the background. So I guess that's one solution to electric cars, and people who miss that kind of sound could certainly have an augmented kind of sound where it sounds like an old, engine-powered car or petrol-powered car. So that's one solution around it. Tell me what you think about that solution and whether that would be appropriate for electric cars one day. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you're having a lovely day wherever you are in this world. And as always, happy charging. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of the energy revolution. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. If you're about to buy a Tesla, use my promo code Thomas7208 to score 6 months of free supercharging. Happy charging!